Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS Macie for sensitive data discovery in S3, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure AWS Macie for sensitive data discovery in S3, start by signing in to your AWS Management Console. In the console, navigate to the AWS Macie service. If you haven't enabled Macie yet, go ahead and click on Get Started. Review the information and then select Enable Macie. Once enabled, you'll see the Macie dashboard. From the dashboard, click on S3 buckets in the left sidebar. Here, you will find a list of your S3 buckets. Select the S3 bucket that you want Macie to analyze for sensitive data. After selecting the bucket, click on Create Job. In the job creation page, start by naming your job. Choose a description that helps you identify the job's purpose. Next, select the classification type for your job. You can choose to scan for all sensitive data types or specify particular types. For this guide, let's select all sensitive data types. Now, you need to set the schedule for the job. You can run the job on demand or schedule it to run automatically. If scheduling, choose the desired frequency. After setting the schedule, configure the scope of the job. You can include all objects or specify prefixes and tags for finer control. Review the job details to ensure everything is correct. Once verified, click on Create Job. The job will now be created and will begin analyzing your selected S3 bucket. You can monitor the progress from the Macie dashboard under Jobs. After the job finishes, review the findings and reports generated by Macie. Identify any sensitive data that has been discovered. Finally, take appropriate actions based on the findings to ensure data compliance and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.